Hey, what's up, y'all? So welcome back to myself, because I know I haven't posted a video in such a long time. So today what I wanted to do is pretty much do a walk around. I posted a video, I think early January, February 2023. I think I bought the truck in December 2022. Anyways, I've had it for a little bit. Oh, camera was all jacked up, sorry. So I've had it for a little bit, but I don't think I've posted a video since like early last year. So it's been quite some time. I'll post the link to the video that I originally posted on YouTube of like, hey, what the truck came with when I bought it until where it's at now, because I've done some stuff, which is what I want to show you today, and just kind of go off of that, because I don't know, I'll try and get back into the YouTube game. Just the editing, all the time it takes, it really sucks. Those that YouTube, like, definitely understand that, especially if you just kind of do this on the side. But anyways, I'll shut up, I'll walk around. I'm just gonna spit out stuff of, you know, what I've done, or what even came on it. Yeah, it won't be well thought out, but I'm just gonna show you what I've done so far, ever since, probably a year since I last posted the video. Okay, let's turn this puppy around. All right, so I'll start at the front, work my way counterclockwise. So the truck came with that Ranchan front bumper replacement. I did put some LED bulbs, both bottom, both headlights, you know, low beams, high beams. I think they're the same beam. Oh yeah, I live in Texas now. Tight. All right, so we have 18-inch, I think they're 18 by 9s fuels. It probably took me about a month to figure out which wheel I really wanted. This one I really like. I can't tell you why. I think it's just like a rugged look. Black, I want it all black. And so yeah, I like them a lot. They are wrapped in Toyo MTs, open countries, 37 by 13.5 R18s. Okay, so I've always wanted Toyo MTs, and I got them. So if y'all want to know more about how they ride, how I like them, things like that, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. Also, another thing I've done, custom badging. All right, I paid a stupid amount of money for those, with a, you know, from a place that I don't recommend, because it took 6 months to get these things. 6 months. I don't know what takes 6 months. It's not that difficult. Anyways, that's a little rant. So I think getting those custom badges, I probably want to just paint this chrome to caribou brown, because I really like that caribou brown. Love the two-tone. So I'm gonna have to take these off. There's plenty of other videos on YouTube how to take that off, but how I paint it, it'll be a different story. All right, put these covers on. I have some smoked ones. I'll probably put those on. I've gone back and forth, actually put them on, took them off, put those color ones, OEM ones on. And yeah, so we'll continue along. I did ceramic coat the truck. Quality is shit, but it is consumer grade stuff, and I did it indoors where I wasn't really able to see. I did it inside a detached garage, so I wasn't able to see really high spots and whatnot. So definitely have some regrets, but for the most part, truck looks really good. And I mean, there's some blemishes here and there, but you got to really look into it. All right, so another custom badge right here. I did get rid of my fuel tank. I did have an auxiliary fuel tank, and that was to fill up my boat. Because the gas stations around me were too tiny for my truck and the boat, so it was just not ideal. All right, so I got this hitch. Yep, so this is a beefy one. Pulled the boat with this thing from North Carolina to Tennessee, Tennessee to Texas. So anyways, that's a game changer. It's a torsion Gen Y. I've always had a Gen Y, but this thing it's like some kind of torsion. I bought it used. These things are like stupid expensive, so I was gonna buy that new. Yeah, probably what I want to do is I'll paint that again caribou brown. Love the two-tone. Put some LED bulbs in the tail lights. Upgraded my third brake light. See if I can show y'all. All right. Well, when I brake, it looks kind of cool. All right, I put an exhaust tip on there, 5-inch. This I did delete it. I do have video of me deleting it. So yeah, I went 5-inch instead of 4-inch delete pipe. Sounds really good, but I live in a neighborhood that's a little quiet. So what I ended up doing was take off one piece, well, it was about a 20-inch piece of pipe, and then put a muffler on it. So that makes a world of a difference. No need to put some crazy big ass muffler on it to make it quieter. That really does the trick. It was just pretty much plug and play. All right, so again, ceramic coated. Yeah, leveling kit, Carli leveling kit with the coils, Carli shocks. Let's see what general maintenance. Haven't done anything crazy down here. I did put some spacers, I think, on the sway bar. They didn't have any spacers. I think that was throwing off some geometry, but to be honest, don't really notice what it did, but makes me feel better. All right, so inside, I don't think I've done. Oh, I have done something. So I did, what is it? I noise cancel. I put some noise canceling stuff in the door panels. All 4 door panels. Does make it quieter in the cab of the truck. Yeah, that's about no audio, nothing. Let's see, what have I done in here? Yeah, Auto Agent 3. This is pretty cool. This is different from what I had last time. Easy Link. I did hardwire my cop radar detector. That's pretty cool. So now I have that on an auxiliary switch. And I think I'm forgetting a bunch of stuff. So underneath the hood, I haven't done anything. I do have an EGR delete kit I need to throw on there in due time. I just don't want to get caught with the truck not operational because of the damn bolts. You know, those bolts sometimes break off, and I'm not prepared to figure that out right now. I will have to replace this window seal on the sunroof, so that's coming. All right, y'all, so that's pretty much it. I did miss a few things, just looking at my notes of what I've done, but nothing really significant. But yeah, that's where I'm at with this truck. Definitely looking closer to how I want it to look. I'm definitely not going to lift it any higher with the 37s. Kind of, it bumps it up another inch or two from the 35s. Or the 295 65s that I had on the stock King Ranch wheels, which I still have. Always got to keep a spare set of wheels. But yeah, I think with the leveling kit, 37s, it's exactly where I want. I've had a 4-inch, you know, from my last truck, lifted on 37s, big, huge truck. Kind of sucked over time to like daily drive, but to each their own. That's just my opinion. Y'all would have different other opinions. I know some people probably daily drive 6-inch lifted 250s, 2500s, 350, whatever, you know. So like to each their own. But yeah, that's pretty much where I'm at. I've done a considerable amount. I kind of want to do some audio. I'll do some other small stuff. But yeah, the 37s with new wheels, deleted. That's what I've done. So just trying to catch y'all up. If y'all got any questions, comments, go ahead and let me know down below. Parts that I've used. But yeah, other than that, hey, I'll try and do another video of maybe painting those side panels of what I was showing you that I was just kind of just sticking out. So maybe I'll put a little more emphasis trying to remove all the chrome slowly but surely. Do that. But yeah, anyways, I'll see y'all.